So, Toyota MMT Semi-Automatic 5-speed transmission, 1.6, 1.4, 1.8. Removing and installing gears actuator. Very short video and with no any water, okay? Fast and no will mistake. All will understand. So what do we need? First of all, we need the key branch, but it should, I cut it because it's not possible to engage here. We have the mount, and you see, need to little cut. Not if you will start moving like this, not good. Only this, but up, okay. So now, and this you need to remove. This is the neutral sensor. Inside you see some flag. It should be on the middle. And this is the bolt 18. This is the stopper. So it holding very hard. So you need very big ratchet like this, not like this, maybe better little longer, okay. So you removed this, it's on the neutral. Now you have six bolts, screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this 6. So you're removing all of them. Now this, as it possible, you open it. Then it start not possible because you cannot remove, change position of the branch. Then you take big arm like this and going like this. Look at this. Up. It moving. And now it's possible to again open the bolt. And again, and you're removing it, okay? Now the bolt is fully opened. It will stay here. It's not possible to remove it because we have the mount here, okay? Now we can remove full this unit. Here we have some pipes, okay? How we doing? We're going there and there. The shaft. If you have some possible to leave shaft here, no problem. If it will stay here, you can remove without shaft, and then you can remove shaft, only shaft, okay? So here and here. Look at this. I never saw like this. The plastic broke. The first time I see this damage. So you repair it, check it, all okay. Now you need to install it back. So how to install it back? So we have 2 marks, okay? This, the first one, this small square, also it has square there, okay? And you have also this sensor, and you see this sensor. When the shaft is fully inside, this should be here, you see? Here. Not here, not here. Exactly here, you see? It like mountain. Okay? And this this. When this, you put the shaft on the middle. You see, it's on the middle. It's on the middle. It say this is the neutral, and this should be here. You see, like this, not here, not here, here. It should be like here. Now it's okay. So, and how this mark easy to find, yes? And how to find this mark. Now I will show you what you need to do. When you installing, oh, you see, now it's so fly away. So when you installing it, you should move in, up, and then checking. This not correct. Okay, removing. Now it's correct. So now need to install the motors, and then the best way to install the gears actuator without the sensors. Without you installing, you can check that all mark is okay, that not jumped something, and then you will install the sensor, no problem. Now I will show how to do it. So once again, the motor with big brushes to the top and with the smaller brushes to the bottom. So, and now let's install it very carefully that the shaft will not go outside. You hold it, okay? So you go in this way, and when you go in this way, you see the shaft start moving outside. Oh, it's not good. So you press it and hold it like this, you hold it that it will not go outside. Like this, you see? Up. Here you have the bolt. You start, screw it. Chick, up. That's all. Now it's installed correct. So, and now without sensors, I can check if it installed correct. I can, you see, this on the middle, I can move easy and it's moving. You see? Yes, it's moving. I'm checking the mark. Excellent. Also this one, perfect. See? And now I can install the sensor. This sensor. If I install like this, it will not working. It should be under the spring. So I need to move this up this way by the end. Then I take the sensor to this, install, and moving. And now pay attention. It was click. It was under the spring. See? Once again. And this sensor also, no problem. You see, it should be like, and I'm moving like this. And the screws, no problem to screw. That's all.